the city, I have what's considered a good view. 2 blocks from the subway, 3 from the fountain where I walk to break in new shoes. She stands on the sidewalk just waving at taxis like horses in parades in passing. I ask where she's headed, she tells me Ohio. I've not seen my mother in ages. It's been a long time, a real long time. A real long time. Out from my window, how far is Ohio? She laughed and pointed out east. She said I grew up there with my dear mother, and I haven't seen her since 13. You see, I was taken while she lay sleeping by my father's hired man.